made in Germany. To us, it means creating lasting value. With our unique combination of leading technology, craftsmanship, and premium materials, we craft the finest cookware, since 1845 to be precise. In every curve, edge, and surface, we celebrate our experience and passion. We are proud to be part of the Fissler family. Many of us have been here for 30 or 40 years, and our parents and grandparents before us. For generations, we enriched our know-how and created ideas that led to Fissler's legacy of innovation. It all started in 1845 in Ida Oberstein, and to this day we are deeply rooted in this region, manufacturing our own tools and training generations to come. We continue to innovate, ensure perfect quality, and never stand still. From our home, we come to yours, inspiring and empowering passionate cooks around the world, crafting premium cookware in appreciation for the best ingredients, the cook, and the people you love. Fissler, made in Germany since 1845.